Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing on PC tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to adjust your CapCut track height. In some cases, when you drag video in the timeline right here, you may want to adjust the height of the video clip. This will enable you to see more preview about the video clip in the timeline right here. So how do you adjust your video track height on your timeline in CapCut? Let's find out. Next thing you want to do when you drag the video in the timeline right here, just like this, next thing you want to do to come to the sidebar right here, click on these three dots right here. The next thing you want to do to go ahead and click on track height. So under the track height, you have three options. First option here allow you to short the track, or by default in CapCut or tall. So if you switch to short, it's going to give you a very tiny like this, and in some cases it will be difficult for you to know the area you need to cut in your CapCut. So if you want to adjust the height, come back right here, click on this three dots, go back to the track height. You can switch back to default. You have a default by CapCut right here. Go back here again to do proper adjustment. Track height, you can decide to make it tall right here. Click on tall, then you have more views about the track that you update in the track timeline in CapCut. However, once you are done with everything, this depends on how you want your track height to be as far as CapCut video editing is concerned. For more tutorials, tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut to editing your video on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.